Module number 5, joint probability distribution. So definition of joint probability distribution. Joint probability means the two events will be happen together is called joint probability distribution. For example, when salary increases, is expenditure is also increases. Height and weight of the man. So when height will increases, so simultaneously its height is also increases. Such types of example is called joint probability distribution. If x and y are the two random variables, we have to defining the joint probability of x and y by probability of x is equal to x and y is equal to y, where f of xy which satisfies the condition f of xy value is greater than or equal to 0 and summation of x summation of y of f of xy is equal to 1n. If x is equal to x1 to xn and y is equal to y1 to yn, then probability of xi yj is equal to f of xi. The probability of xi yj is denoted as capital Ji into j, where jij means joint probability distribution of I and j, and the values of x and y are arranged in tabular form is called joint probability table here. So this table is called joint probability table. So here we have to arranging x value and y value in rows and columns here. If we add J11, J12, J13 up to J1n, then J21 plus J22 plus J23 up to J2n. So these are called rows sum. So similarly, if you add J11 plus J22 plus J23 up to Jm1, then J12 plus J22, J32, etc. So which gives the column sums. So arranging the row sum and column sums. Then marginal probability distribution. So marginal probability distribution means we will add all the rows values and all the column values. So it is called marginal probability distribution, and it should be denoted as summation of I equal to 1 to m, j equal to 1 to n, f of xi yj is equal to summation of I equal to 1 to m, j equal to 1 to n, capital Jij is equal to 1 here. Means their row sum and column sum is always equal to 1 here. Next one is expectation, covariance and correlation. Expectation of x is denoted by E of x or mu into x here. So it is given by mu of x or E of x is equal to summation of xi into f of xi. So multiply x and f of x and add, so which is the sum of xi into f of xi. Similarly, mu y or expectation of y means again multiply yj and gyj value, which gives sum of yj into gyj, and E of xy is equal to summation of xi yj and jij. If x and y are random variables having mean mu x and mu y respectively, then the covariance of x and y is denoted by covariance of xy and is defined as covariance of xy is equal to E of xy minus mu x into mu y, and correlation of x and y is denoted by rho of xy is denoted by rho of xy is equal to covariance of xy divided by sigma x into sigma y. So you have to calculating sigma x and sigma y as, so sigma square x equal to e of x square minus mu square x, and sigma square y value as e of y square minus mu square y. So first one, find out e of x square and e of y square by using summation of x square into f of x and summation of y square into g of y. Then use these e of x square and e of y square in above equation, and after simplifying we'll get it summation of x and summation of y value. Dependent and independent random variable. So independent random variable means if e of xy is equal to e of x into e of y, then it is said to be independent random variable, or otherwise if e of xy is not equal to e of x into e of y, then it is called dependent random variable. Now we'll solving the examples on covariance, correlation and expectation. Problem number 1. The joint probability distribution of x and y are given below. So they are given the values of x and y in tabular form here. So with this table we'll calculating e of expectation of x, expectation of y, expectation of xy, covariance of xy and rho of xy. Solution. The marginal distribution of x and y is obtained by adding rows and columns here. First one, distribution of x here. So here we have to prepare the table for xi and f of xy. So first one we have to using 1 and 5 by above problem. So you have to use 1 and 5. So 1 and 5. Now add 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. So LCM of 8, 4 and 8 is 8. So LCM 4 2s are 8 here. 2 plus 2, 4. 4 by 8 is 1 by 2. Then similarly add second row value 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, which gives the 1 by 2. Then distribution of y. Now we'll adding the column value. So write the minus 4, 2 and 7 as yj value, and gyj is column sum here. So 1 by 8 plus 1 by 4, 3 by 8. Again 1 by 4, 1 by 8 is 3 by 8, and 1 by 8 plus 1 by 8, 2 by 8. So 2 by 8 is 1 divided by 5. So by adding rows, which use the distribution of x, and by adding column, which gives distribution of y here. Now with the help of distribution of x and distribution of y, now we'll calculating first, second and third example, third and fourth. First one is expectation of e of x and e of y. So expectation of e of x is summation of xi into f of xi. So multiply xi and f of xi value and add, which gives e of x here. So 1 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. 5 into 1 by 2 is 5 by 2. So 1 by 2 plus 5 by 2, which gives the 3. Then e of y. So e of y is summation of yj into g of yj. So again multiply minus 4 into 3 by 8, that is 12 divided by 8. Then 2 into 3 by 8, 7 into 1 by 4. Then after simplifying, e of y value become 1. Then E of xy. So E of xy is summation of xi yj jij. So again we will using the above table to calculate E of xy. So E of xy is first one multiply 1 into minus 4 into 1 by 8. So 1 into minus 4 minus 4 minus 4 into 1 by 8 is minus 4 by 8. So here we get it the minus 4 by 8. Then similarly 1 into 2 2, 2 into 1 by 4 is 2 by 4. So second value become 2 by 4. Third value 1 into 7 7, 7 into 1 by 8, so 7 by 8. Then similarly third value, so 5 into 4 20, 20 into 1 by 4, so minus 20 by 4. Then 5 into 2 10, 10 into 1 by 8 is 10 by 8. So here you get it 10 by 8. And last one is 5 into 7 35, 35 into 1 by 8, that is 35 by 8. So after simplifying, P of xy value become 3 divided by 2. Then covariance of xy. So covariance of xy means you have to take E of xy minus mu x into mu 1. So E of xy value is 3 by 2 minus mu x into mu 1. So multiply mu x into mu y, so which use 3 into 1 minus 3. So 3 by 2 minus 3 become minus 3 divided by 2. Second example, the joint probability distribution for two random variable x and y is given below. So x values are minus 2, minus 1, 4 and 5. Y values are 0.1, 0.2, 0.21, 0.1, 0.3 and 0. So find the marginal distribution of x and y, and also find covariance of xy and rho of xy. Solution. So first step is we preparing the distribution table of x and y, xi and yj, 1 and 2. So add 0.1, 0.2, 0, 0.3, which use 0.6. Then add second row value 0.2 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, which use 0.4. Then distribution of y, yj and g of yj. So add the first column 0.1 plus 0.2, 0.3. Similarly second column is 0.3, third column 0.1, fourth column is 0.3. So we will obtain distribution of x and distribution of y, marginal distribution of x and y. So before calculating covariance of xy, we will calculating expectation of x, y and E of xy. So later we will finding covariance of x and y. Expectation E of x is xi into f of xy. So 0.6 into 1, 0.6, 0.4 into 2, 0.8. So which is equal to 1.4. Then expectation of y. Expectation of y is summation of yj into g of yj. 0.3 into minus 2 minus 0.6, 0.3 into minus 1 minus 0.3, 0.1 into 4, 0.4, 0.3 into 5 is 1.5. So which is equal to 1. Then expectation of x into y. So again we will using the above table. 1 into minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 into 0.1 is, that is minus 2.1. Then similarly 1 into minus 1 minus 1 into 0.2, 1 into 4 4, 4 into 0 is 0, 1 into 5 5, 5 into 0.3, that is 0.53. Then second row value 2 into 2 minus 4 minus 4 into 0.2, so 4 into 0.2. Then 2 into minus 1 minus 2 minus 2 into 0.1 2 into 4 8 8 into 0.1 2 into 5 10 10 into 0. So which use the 0.9. So now we're using E of x, E of y, E of xy to calculate covariance of xy. So covariance of xy is E of xy, it is 0.9, and mu x into mu y, 1.4 into 1 1.4, so which is equal to minus 0.5. Then find out correlation of xy, that is covariance of xy. So already we know that 0.5, so required is sigma x into sigma y. So sigma square x formula is E of x square minus mu square x, and sigma square y formula is E of y square minus mu square y. But E of x square formula is summation of x square into f of x. So x square into f of x is 1 square into 0.6 plus 2 square into 0.4, that is 4 into 0.4, so which use the 2.2. So now use 2.2 in this formula, and mu square x as 1.4 square. So after simplifying, which use the 0.4 value. And similarly E of y square is y square into g of y. So y square into g of y, 4 into 0.3, 1 into 0.3, 16 into 0.1, 25 into 0.3. So E of y square become 10.6. So use 10.6 in sigma square y formula. So 10.6, then minus mu square y. So mu square y is 1 square. 1 square is 1. So sigma square x is 0.24, or sigma x is square root of 0.24, that is 0.49. Sigma square sigma y value is 3.1. So now use sigma x and sigma y value in equation number 1, and also substitute covariance of xy. So which use the minus 0.3292. Third example, a fair coin is tossed 3 times. Let x denote 0 or 1 according as head or tail occurs on the first toss, and y denotes number of heads which occur. Then find distribution of x and y, joint distribution of x and y, and covariance of xy. Solution: the sample space assigned random variables x and y is given by the following table. When we toss the coin 3 times, suppose if you obtain head first, then denote it as 0. If you obtain tail first, then denote it as 1 here. So you check the table. So sample space, when you toss the coin 3 times, so possibilities are either we get it 3 times of head, 2 times of head, and 1 time tail. Head tail head, head tail tail, tail head head, tail head tail, tail tail head, or tail tail tail. So x denotes, here when we toss the coin, we'll obtain head first, therefore it is denoted as 0. Here also head first, head, head, so 0 0 0. But in fifth case, here we'll obtain tail first, tail, tail, and tail. It is denoted as 1 1 and 1. Then capital Y denotes the number of heads. So here number of heads is 3, number of heads is 2, head is 2, 1 2, head is 1 1, and in last column there is no any head, therefore value become 0. So when x equal to 0, our outcome is triple H, HHT, HT, H, HT, T. When x is equal to 1, outcome is THH, THT, TTH, TTT. Now we'll preparing the distribution table for x and y. So x and y, first one is distribution of x. So x is xi into f of xy. So here x value is either 0 or 1. So write here 0 and 1. Here the total number of possibilities are 8. So out of 8, total number of zeros are 4. So 4 by 8. Total number of ones are again 4. 4 by 8. Now distribution of y. So in y means total number of heads will obtain here. So possibilities are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So write the first value are 0, 1, 2 and 3. Then in out of 8, so we'll obtain no or only one time 0. So it is denoted as 1 by 8. We'll obtain head one time. So one time is 1, 2 and 3. 3 by 8. So 2 become again 3 times. So 3 by 8. And 3 times head will obtain only one time. So 1 divided by 8. So which is the distribution of x and y. Then calculate joint distribution of x and y. In Jij, probability of x equal to xi and y equal to yj. So you know that xi and yj value. So xi value is 0 and 1 and yj values are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So use these xi and yj value to calculate J11. So J11 is probability of when x equal to 0, y equal to 0. So in this table we'll check it, x value 0 and y value 0. So there is no such cases for x equal to 0, y equal to 0. Either x 0 or y 0, but both are not 0. So therefore its value becomes 0. Second one is J12. So J12 means when x equal to 0, y is equal to 1. 0 and 1 here. So check it the table 0 and 1. So there is only one case out of 8 times. So 1 divided by 8 and outcome is HTT. Then third one is J13. So J13 means when x equal to 0, y is equal to 2. So 0 and 2. So there are 2 times of 0 and 2 out of 8 possibility. So 2 by 8, that gives the 1 by 4 and outcomes is HHT and HTH. Then J14 is when x value 0, y value is 3. So 0 and 3 only one time out of 8 possibility. So 1 by 8 outcome is HHH. Then similarly write x equal to 1, y equal to 0. So 1 and 0 only one time, 1 divided by x equal to 1, y equal to 0 only one time, 1 by 8. So that becomes T. Then find out 1, 1, 1, 2, 1 and 3. So which use the J21, J22, J23 and J24. Now we'll arranging the J11, J12, J13 values in tabular form. So x values are 0, 1, y values are 0, 1, 2, 3. So we'll arrange the table in following format. So here we'll arrange the x value 0, 1, y values are 0, 1, 2, 3. So x 0, y 0, our result becomes 0. So see here x 0, y 0, 0. Next one is x value 0, y value is 1, 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, 1 by 8. So arrange these values which use the joint probability distribution table. So now use this table and find out E of x, E of xy, E of xy, covariance of xy, and also rho of xy. So this procedure is similar like the above example. So we'll obtain E of x is 1 by 2, E of y is 3 by 2, E of xy is 1 by 2, covariance as minus 1 by 4, and rho of xy is minus 1 by square root of. So these are the few examples on covariance and correlation.